now we know the market and we have good timing. Now it's time to bring it all home. We have to have a cutting edge strategy, able to create a posture inside of this negotiation so that we get the best terms ultimately.
This really plays into kind of circles back to the first topic of negotiation, of market knowledge rather. A part of market knowledge is understanding not just the market itself, but the people that are involved in the market. And landlords are obviously the big one that we're talking about here with negotiation strategy, right? Landlords, pursuant to what your introduction here, landlords are professional negotiators. They do this for a living, and have hundreds, if not thousands, of negotiation and transactions under their belt. So, in the case of our clients and prospective doctors, to your point, they might do this 2, 3, maybe 4 times in their careers, and it's not fair to think that you're going to be able to step into the ring with Mike Tyson or into a live negotiation with a professional seasoned landlord and come out with anything that resembles a fair deal.